Good morning, children. How are you? I think all are fine, children. Previous I sent some revision. That mean revised classes. All of you learn properly, Nana. Okay. First, what is that class, Nana? Information about periods and groups. Information about periods and groups. All of you practice first year group elements. First year group elements what, children? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Second group elements: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Third group elements: boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Fourth group elements: carbon. After that, silicon, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Nitrogen family. Sixth, which group? Fifth group. Nitrogen. Next, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Next, oxygen family. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Next, halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Last group, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. I think color, lead. Okay, very good. So, in modern periodic table having how many elements, how many groups, how many periods? 7 periods. Horizontal rows are called periods. Vertical columns are called groups. First period is called shortest period. Say how many elements? 2 elements. Second and third period is called short period having 80 elements. Third period having is called long period. How many elements? 18 elements. Next, sixth period having 32 elements, longest period. Next, seventh period having 31 elements, incomplete period. Okay. Next, information about groups. Groups are divided into how many groups we have, children? 18 groups. 18 groups are divided into some A groups, some B groups. A groups 8, B groups 10. That is modern periodic table. Next, information about periods. First period is called alkali metals. Second period is called first group is called alkali metals. Second group elements is called alkali earth metals. Third group boron family. Fourth group carbon family. Fifth group nitrogen family, another name nitrogens. Sixth group oxygen family, another name chalcogens. Seventh group halogen family. Eighth group zero group noble gases, inert gases, halogens. Okay. Next, on periodic table have divided in 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. S block elements are arranged left side of the periodic table. P block elements are arranged in right side of the periodic table. D block elements are arranged in middle of the periodic table. F block elements are arranged in bottom of the periodic table. Next, S and P block elements except noble gases. S and P block elements are called representative elements. D block elements are called transition elements. F block elements are called inner transition elements. Okay. F block elements divided into periods. Long thread series and actinide series. Long thread series another name radioactive metals. Actinide series another name radioactive elements. That is information about periods and groups. Okay. Next, very important concept, Nana. Atomicity and periodic properties. Next, concept 4, I think. Concept 4. Very important. Atomicity and periodic properties. Atomicity and periodic properties. What is periodic properties? First, listen. Periodic properties. Periodic properties. The physical and chemical properties of the elements. The physical properties and chemical properties of the element directly or indirectly depends upon the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. That is periodic properties. That is periodic properties. What is periodic properties? The elements. The properties, the physical and chemical properties, the physical and chemical properties. Write down, Nana. Chemical properties, the physical and chemical properties of the element directly indirectly depends upon electronic configuration. Obviously, electronic configuration according to Moore diagram. This is called periodic properties law. The physical and chemical properties of the elements directly or indirectly depends upon electronic configuration of the element. Electronic configuration. The physical and chemical properties of the element directly or indirectly depends upon the electronic configuration. This is called periodic properties law. Periodic properties law. Next, what is atomicity, not periodicity. Periodicity. Periodicity and periodic properties. What is periodic properties now? The physical and chemical properties of the elements directly or indirectly depends upon electronic configuration. This is periodic properties now. Next, what is periodicity? What is periodicity? What is periodicity? Listen properly, Rana. The meaning of periodicity. The meaning of periodicity is periodic properties are the elements depends upon the systematic regular intervals. Systematic regular intervals. Those intervals are 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. 8. Those are regular intervals. Atomicity means in periodic properties depends upon this some regular intervals. The intervals are called 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 30, 32. This is systematic regular intervals. It is a systematic regular intervals. Periodicity. The meaning of periodicity is the systematic follows at regular intervals. That intervals are called 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. So see now, first period having how many elements? 2 elements. Second period having 8 elements. Third period having 8 elements. Fourth period having 18 elements. Fifth period 18 elements. And sixth period 32 elements. Those are regular intervals. Always find regular intervals. See now, lesson once. All of the items first periodic properties are the physical and chemical properties of the element directly or indirectly depends upon the electronic configuration. What is periodicity? The meaning of periodicity. The elements at system at regular interval follow some systematic regular intervals. Those intervals are called 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. See now, listen first. For example, highlight first period, first group elements. First group elements, what children? You know, first group elements, write on the board only first group. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Those are the first group elements, you know children. Very good. You know atomic numbers. I think first element atomic number, you know. Regular intervals are 2, 8, 18, 18 and 32. See now, in first year group elements, first element hydrogen atomic number 1. If you add plus to first interval, if you add first interval 1 plus 2 atomic number 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Next, if you add next interval plus 8, 3 plus 8 sodium atomic number, hydrogen atomic number 1, lithium 3. Next, sodium 3 plus 8, 11. Next, if you add next interval 18, so potassium atomic number 19. If you add next interval 18, so your rubidium atomic number, see now, 17, 37. So next interval if you add, see now, 2, 8, 8, 18, I forget 1, 8. Intervals 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Okay, first interval 2, second 8, third 8, fourth 18, fifth 18, 32 last. If you add first interval 2, if you atomic number of lithium 8. Next, if you add sodium 11 atomic number. If you add 8, if 8, 11 plus 8, 19. Next interval 18. If you add atomic number 55. Next, if you add 32, next atomic number 87. Those are our atomic number of hydrogen, atomic number of lithium, sodium, atomic number 11. I think you know up to 30 elements atomic numbers, but remaining you don't know. You know children, remaining atomic numbers? You don't know. But you know intervals easy to find the each group element atomic numbers. Do you understand Nana? If you know intervals, if easily find any group atomic numbers. First you know first element. In first group, first element no. First element atomic number you know. Hydrogen atomic number you don't know. Hydrogen atomic number 1. If you know first element atomic number, according to these intervals, easily find the remaining elements atomic numbers. Do you understand Nana? Easily find the atomic number. See, hydrogen atomic number 1. If we added in first period, this is first period intervals, first period, second period interval, third period interval, fourth period, fifth period, and sixth period. See Nana, first period interval what Nana? 2. If you atomic number 1, if you add plus 2, atomic number, next atomic number get 3. If you add next interval 8, next atomic number 11. Next if you add 8, next atomic number 19. If you add 18, yeah, next atomic number 37. Next if you add next interval 18, next atomic number 55. Next if you add last interval 32, so first period, this is second period, first period, second period element, third period element, third, don't write this one, listen properly. Next fourth period, this is fifth period, sixth period, last seventh period. You know Nana, first period element hydrogen, lithium, sodium, top to bottom groups, left to right periods, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These intervals, follow this interval, this is called atomicity. Atomicity means the meaning of atomicity, the system at the follow regular intervals. That intervals is called atomicity. Atomicity intervals goes 2, 8, 8, 18, 32. Next, if you take second group examples, second group beryllium. Beryllium, after that magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Those are second group elements, all the earth metals. Always find atomic numbers. Beryllium atomic number you know, beryllium, hydrogen 1, lithium 3, beryllium atomic number 4. You know, beryllium atomic number 4. So beryllium which period element? Second period. So second period interval what Nana? 8. Second period interval what? 8. But if you add atomic number of beryllium 4, if you add interval atomicity 8, so you have 4 plus 8 is 12. If you get 12 atomic number of magnesium. Do you understand Nana? Next magnesium. Magnesium atomic number 12. If you add next interval what? 8. 12 plus 8, 20. Calcium atomic number 20. This is atomic number. Atomic number. So next calcium, you know, next interval what? 18. So here strontium atomic number 38. Barium atomic number, if you add next interval 18. So 8, 8, 16, 56. Barium atomic number 56. Next interval, if you add next interval 32. So 56 plus 32, 80, 80. This is atomic number of radium. Do you understand Nana? Second group elements, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. If you know regular intervals, easy to find the atomic number of any groups wise elements. Second group over first group. Next example, we have to take third group elements. Third group elements what Nana? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Boron atomic number you know? Boron atomic number neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So if you find atomic number of zero elements, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. See now, you know atomic number, you don't know, but easily find according to this intervals. If you use that intervals, easily find atomic numbers. So helium atomic number, you know, it's the next element helium. Helium atomic number 2. So helium, which group element? Helium which period element? First period. First period element, no. First period. So first period intervals what? 2. See Nana, first period element helium. Okay, my last group cannot follow this intervals. Why? Because this is stable group. Generally, helium atomic number 2 now. If neon, which number you add? If 8 add, next electronic configuration 10. This is exception. Keep in your mind. First period intervals are only 2. But in this zero group elements, first interval 8, next interval 8, 18, next interval 18. 1636. Next interval 18. Atomic number of xenon. Atomic number of xenon here 36, 18. How much here? 40, 54. 54 plus 32. 54 plus 32, 76. See now listen. Here first period interval 8 only accept zero group elements only. Okay, only zero group elements intervals. First interval 8, after 18, 32. Those are intervals. That is for that intervals are called periodicity. So we understood now. Next, periodic properties. We have so many 6 or 7 properties. Each and every property we will discuss next classes. Now, what is periodic properties? The physical and chemical properties of the elements directly and indirectly depends upon the electronic configuration. What is periodicity? The meaning of periodicity: the atom and systematic regular intervals. That regular intervals are called periodicity. Those are which intervals? 2, 8, 18, 32. Those are intervals. Always follow that intervals, you know. Okay, we are discussing some groups elements now. Okay, next periodic properties. So many periodic properties. Follow that properties. First property, atomic radii. Atomic radii. First property, atomic radii. Second property, ionization energy. Ionization energy. Next, third property, electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. Fourth property, electropositivity. Next property, electronegativity. Sixth one, valency. Seventh one, oxidation states. Oxidation numbers are states. Oxidation numbers. Those are the properties of periodic properties. First one, atomic radii. Second one, ionization energy. Third one, electron gain enthalpy. Fourth one, electropositivity, electronegativity, valency and oxidation numbers. So periodic properties, this is next concept. Each topic having one concept. Each property having one concept. Nana. This is fourth concept, fifth concept, sixth concept, seventh concept, 8th, 9th, 10th concept. Okay, do you understood? So each property is having one properties. What is an atomic radii? What is properties of the atomic radii? What is factors of atomic radii? We will discuss next class. Okay, Nana? What is periodicity? What is periodic properties? The physical and chemical properties of the elements are directly, indirectly depends upon the electronic configuration. What is a periodicity? The periodicity, the meaning of periodicity, the atom, the systematic at regular intervals, the elements follow that atom system at regular intervals. That regular intervals are called periodicity. What is that intervals? 2, 8, 18, 32. Always follow that intervals. We are discussing some examples. Okay. Next, periodic properties. Periodic properties are so many types. First property is atomic radii or atomic size. Second property, radiation energy. Third property, electron giving enthalpy. Fourth property, electropositivity. Next, electronegativity. Next, valency. Next, oxidative states. Okay, Nana? All of you learn properly what is periodic law, what is periodicity. We follow regular intervals. Okay? Thank you, Nana. See you next class.